Sprinting to the future of law. Who am I, human or machine? Synchronizing with cyborgs. Part 3. Who would be interested in it?
In the previous part of this issue, we talked about what is happening in India around cyborgs. Now let's look at various uses of cyborgs in different industries. Let's first look at the healthcare sector. Cyborg technology enables the creation of artificial organs such as kidney, lungs, cochlea, and even heart. It also offers enhancements through bionic implants for vision, hearing, orthopedic, and cardiac functions. Thus, it fills the missing abilities of incapacitated patients. They also offer greater resistance to certain type of diseases and infections. Exoskeletons and artificial tissues can also increase mobility and quality of life for aged people. In the healthcare services side, it can increase capabilities and stamina of healthcare professionals who often operate in physically and mentally stressful environment for long hours, especially in large-scale emergency situations like natural disasters. In defense sector, cyborgs technology can enhance the lives of wounded veterans and augment abilities of human soldiers. Cyborg warriors can operate more efficiently and effectively compared to human soldiers in certain specialized missions. When implanted with communication capabilities, individual cyborgs can directly receive and quickly act on military commands that can be individualized for each soldier rather than a company of soldiers. In sports and athletics, cyborgs technology enable disabled athletes to compete in sports and feel the excitement of competition and the joy of winning. It also speeds up recovery of injured athletes. This is a huge boon for professional sports. In agriculture sector, cyborg technology implanted into insects and animals can help monitor plant health and microclimatic conditions. They can also increase pollination and crop yield. They can enable organic farming by reducing our dependence on toxic herbicides and pesticides by physically picking weeds and harmful insects. In space sector, cyborg technologies can provide capabilities to survive in adverse and hazardous environment of outer space. They can also enable successful habitation of life on other planets. In manufacturing sector, cyborg technology can enhance skills and efficiency of human labor. They also increase shop floor control and greatly reduce accidents. So cyborgs are much more than what is portrayed in Hollywood movies. They are more likely to enhance our lives than cause harms. In the next part of this issue, we will look into various considerations from the legal, regulatory, tax, and intellectual property viewpoints.